We are going to start out by washing our tomatoes. We have about 25 pounds of tomatoes. Just add them to your roaster. The 25 pounds includes cherry tomatoes too. I'm just going to add the lid to it and start some onions. This is 4 pounds of onions. Just add these onions to your pot and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. We are going to caramelize these to yummy goodness. Now that these onions are sweating, I'm going to add some salt so that way they can release some more liquids. I am going to soak my dried Mexican chilies. I have some pasillas, some anchos, and some California chilies, and I am just going to use a combination of all of them. In this recipe, I used 4 of each. Just break off the stems and shake the seeds out, and then drop them into your Vitamix or high-powered blender. Now just add your boiling hot water on top of them. Place the lid on and let them steam. After 5 minutes, I like to push them down with my push wand. These onions are just about perfect. They got plenty of color. Now let's add them to the roaster along with the tomatoes. Now that these tomatoes have been cooking for a little while, I am going to use my immersion blender on them. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oregano, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I am adding the pureed dried chilies. Now add 4 tablespoons of garlic salt. And I added my head of garlic to 1 more tomato and pureed it, and add this to it too. Now I'm going to scoop the enchilada sauce into my Vitamix, but you can use any high-powered blender. Now that this is in this pitcher, it's going to be so easy to pour right into your jars. Now we're just going to wipe the rims off. We got 15 jars. Just add the lids and add them to your canner. And I had to process twice. My lid was not sealing correctly, and I think that's why these jars were siphoned. You can see here as I'm pulling the jars out that they are about an inch lower than when I filled them, and the solid separated from the liquid. You can see here after I wash these jars that they are about an inch lower than they're supposed to be, and I'm pretty sure that's from double processing it. Well guys, thank you for viewing, and as always, may God bless you. Have a great evening.